a dinner with everybody else. I just want to be with my friends. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I really would like if you guys would come to dinner.
I know you would. I know you would like if we all got along too.
I sure would.
Sorry.
Well, you guys are in your little pout modes, and that's fine.
I ain't pouting.
What? We're just chilling. We just don't want to be friends. We don't want to hold hands and sing songs.
You know, I'm not really here to like do all this kumbaya, all that. I'm not here to do that. I'm not here for the drama. So I'm going out with Malaysia, Bambi, and Jackie. That's who I feel like inviting. So me and Bambi have plans to turn the up and get drunk in the street.
Yes, that's what we
Murder the street. We're gonna go get drunk in the street.
Not all of us. Okay, I got it.
Because everybody don't drink and everybody's not fun.
Coming up on Basketball Wives LA.
I tell you one thing, I don't like her. At this point, I got way too much going on in order to like, you know, to jeopardize it for someone like Bambi.